Hey everybody, so here we are. I hope you guys can hear me because I am using a new mic, and basically this is going to be a DIY budget friendly planner that you can make for the low, okay? And I wanted to do this because I've been wanting to do this, but I haven't had the chance or the time, so I apologize for doing this. So I hope this is I'm a little bit too far from the mic. I apologize. I may need to use my other mic, but I want to use this mic because I did purchase, it was a gift, so I need to use it. So basically, with this, I basically wanted to show you guys a budget friendly binder. Once again, I have done a budget friendly one before, so I want to show you guys basically what this is about. So basically we're going to turn the pages. I'm gonna let you guys see here. Alright, as you guys can see, there is a weekly cleaning checklist here, but I have the things here, so this is what I have on the inside, okay? So I hope you guys could see. Alright, I hope it's not crooked. I haven't done this in a minute. Alright, so this is the weekly checklist. Now, I did print this out. They did have this in color, but since I didn't have a color printer, I was only able to do the black and white. But if you want to be a little fancy and get your color pencils and do that, you can. But that's just basically about that. I'm going to show you guys where I put them, and so you guys could see, okay? So I'm going to show you the calendar here. So this is the calendar for August. I did purchase this from Dollar Tree. So this is an August calendar. It can come out. So I'm going to show you guys that it can come out. So bear with me. All right. So this is what it's looking like here. As you guys can see, I did start writing in it. So you guys know my handwriting is terrible. So do not come for me. Okay. Don't come for me. Okay. This whole thing right here came from Dollar Tree. Now here we go. This is the weekly schedule week of. You guys know that I have been having a hard time with my time management schedule. So I was inspired by the murder show here on YouTube, my girl. And she was saying how when she does certain things, she goes online and she basically types in I guess hourly schedule, what have you. So I typed that in and this is what I came up with. This is a free printable that you can, print from your own computer and you don't have to purchase anything. So this was free $99, so you could definitely just type it in. There's no website that I could provide for you at this time. If I do find one, I'll let you guys know, but I got this, so this was a perfect one. I was going to use another one, but I was like, that's too much. It was kind of geared towards like school, school setup. So I was like, okay, so this was good. So this started with 6 and they have 7, 8, 9. I hope you guys could see. 10, 11, 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it goes all the way down to here. You could put 10 and stuff like that, but it has a space that you could leave. You want to put 6:30 or 6:15 or something like that. That's just basically about that. So as you guys can see, I broke it up already. I already did it. If you don't want the boring type deals, I would definitely, recommend, use color pencils and things of that sort. They have weekly goals and they also have notes to myself. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I do have the cover protectors. I did purchase the cover protectors from Dollar General. I believe they were like $3. Not Dollar General. I purchased them from, I think it was CVS or Walmart. CVS or Walgreens. I totally apologize about that. So yeah, I purchased it from there. It was probably like $3 for a certain pack. It came in a pack. I'm not sure, but I'll annotate in the video. It's sitting over there and I don't feel like it at the moment. So yeah, so we'll just have to annotate that. Okay. All right. So that's basically about that. So I did the sheet protectors as opposed to putting a hole in it, because sometimes the hole can get messed up or what have you when it be in a paper and it could rip off the binder. So in order to protect it and be fully protected, I definitely and make it look more neater and things of that sort and more organized. So on the other side, we do have the weekly cleaning checklist. I decided to put it here, and so here we go here, and that's basically it about that. It looks kind of bland and boring, but like I said before, you can color in and color and and stuff like that if you guys want to be creative and things of that sort. I may do that, and I'll probably come back and show you guys what I came up with. Okay, all right, so that's basically it right there. Okay, and then you flip through, and then we get to a paper full of loose leaf paper, just in case I want to put in some notes and things of that sort, or whatever the case is. And that's it. I can definitely add more things if I would like to, but I'm not going to add anything at this moment. But this is what it looks like for the start. All right, so this is basically like a budget binder, lifestyle binder or planner, what have you. Is budget friendly. I'm sorry, a budget friendly lifestyle planner for the low. Okay, so you can definitely everything probably costs under $10 or a little bit over $10. So the binder I did purchase from Dollar Tree. I did purchase this calendar from Dollar Tree. The sheet protectors were either from CVS or Walgreens, and the loose leaf paper was from Dollar Tree, and the printables were free 99, and that's just basically it about that. Okay, so the other sheets that I was talking about that I was going to use at first, but I decided to change my mind, were these right here. Now you can work with this, but this looks like it's more towards like a school theme, because it has name and it has time and period. So period, you know, when we was in high school or whatever the case is, we had period 1, 2, 3. So I was like, this will be a good thing if you know you are homeschooling your children, or if you are a teacher, this will be good. So you can definitely find this when you type in the hourly schedule plan or whatever the case is. But there is a website at the bottom, which is www.calendarpedia.com. I will definitely annotate it in the video and put it down in the description bar below if you guys are interested. I know there may be a lot of teachers out there or a lot of homeschooling parents during this time, so maybe this will be a good schedule that you can use because it has the name. It's set up like a school type deal setting. So not saying that I couldn't use this, because I was going to try to use it, but I was like, no, is more towards, you know, schooling. So I believe this one was more feasible for me, and I think so. So they have weekly schedule the week of and stuff like that. So this is like a little bit on the you know, little bit workable for me, you know what I mean? So that's basically about that, but not saying that's not a good thing to use, but you know, use whatever that works and whatever that your heart's desire. Okay, so that's just basically about that. So I just want to show you guys a budget friendly planner that you can buy. I know we are going through hard times in the pandemic, and I know that we do not have the funds, or some of us do not have enough funds to, you know, spare for a $30, $40, $50 or $60, however dollar planner. So this will be good, especially like I said, you know, if you have a bad time management type deals, and my time management sucks. It continues to suck, and I don't know why, but I need to get on track. So I decided to do this because I think this will definitely help me in my time management and what I have to do, because I need to get on schedule. I need to be on time to certain things. I need to make sure that, because, you know, I feel as though there's not enough time in the day, and I know a lot of you guys feel that way as well. So being a little bit more organized and having a planner, and, you know, especially a budget friendly planner, you know, that you can go to and look at and things of that sort. And I like the fact that the sheet protectors, because it gives that more organized and sleek and very clean look, instead of just throwing papers in a binder and then calling it a day. I'm not saying that's not okay if you can't afford the sheet protectors, or you have to omit something out of the DIY planner that I showed you, but you know, this is what's feasible for me, and this is what works for me. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm probably going to add some more printables and things of that sort as the time goes, and if I do, let me know if you guys want to see how my planner is looking like from week to week, or I don't know. But I haven't done planners in a minute because I haven't been purchasing any planners lately. I just been, you know, winging planning. I haven't been doing planning of the week and stuff like that. I still have stickers from my happy planner. I have a lot of stickers, so I may be, you know, putting the stickers on here as well. I'm not going to purchase anything else, just something that's budget friendly for the time being, because I cannot, you know, be doing that, especially like I said before, again, during this pandemic. And I'm also saving, so I'm going to do another video showing you 2 ways that I may be saving, and ways that you would probably want to save as well. Okay, all right, so that's just basically about that, you guys. That's it. I am done. Oh, and if you guys have a question about this comes together. So the calendar and this piece this comes together at Dollar Tree, so it's not separate. So this is a whole dollar. Okay, so if you add that up, I believe is less than $10, because the sheet protectors, I believe, was $3 or $4, probably no more than that, and probably from CVS or Walgreens. And you could definitely probably buy them at Dollar General, or you can find sheet protectors pretty much anywhere. Okay, depending upon your pockets and your budget. Okay, basically same thing. Pocket/budget. Okay, all right, so that's just basically about that, you guys. So I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really apologize. I was supposed to put this out. I've been putting in my community post. I was gonna put it out, and I just never did. So I finally did, and here I am. And better late than never. I apologize. I know I'd be falling off sometimes, but but not saying I'm coming back to planning. I'm just gonna come back and show you guys probably DIY ways, or budget friendly ways to have a budget friendly planner without having to break your pockets. You know what I mean? Because during this time, this pandemic, and whatever the case is, I don't know how everyone financial status is going at this point. You want to save as much as you can. So that's just basically about that. I'm just saying, I'm not trying to, tell anybody what to do with their money, but just to have another suggestion or recommendation that will be better towards your pockets if you are in a struggle, on the struggle bus. Okay. That's just basically about that, because, it's not, it's not easy nowadays, and, you shouldn't be, embarrassed about saying that you are on a struggle bus or you are having financial issues, because you're not the only one out there that is having a financial issue. So that's just basically about that. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this wasn't crooked. I haven't done this in a minute, and I can't really see what I'm doing. But that's just basically about that. So yeah, so I thought this was pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty sleek. And just to get the sometimes simple is better, less is more. And you don't have to OD on a lot of things. And I just started kind of realizing, especially like with the planning thing. And like I said, I'm not coming back to plan every week and do this and do that. And nothing against anybody that does that, but I feel as though that was just a little bit too much for me. So but this is where it's at for me, and I can definitely stick to this, and I hope I can stick to this, and I hope you guys get something from this. And let me know if you have done something like this, or have you if you're going to do something like this, or if this is something that you would like to do, or things of that sort. And just let me know, okay? And let me know if you want me to come back to see if I did spice it up a little bit and put some more things to it, or any other principles that I put to it. And just let me know. Hit the like, share, and subscribe if you haven't been subscribed. And just let you know, this is a spur of the moment type deals. I won't be doing this every week, but if you guys want some more DIY planners, please let me know, and I definitely will try to do it to the best of my ability. Okay, you guys? All right, sorry to keep you guys so long. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. Be safe out there. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. That's some of the watching. Peace.